With this video, we come to the end of this wonderful course wherein you have learned how to create great content and improve your game of making content. Key takeaways from this course is how to find your niche, how to plan content and schedule it, crafting engaging written content, how to create high quality video content, optimizing for your brand, and how to monetize and get great output from your content. So it's time to start creating. Now is the moment to transform your knowledge into impactful content. If I have to give you certain final tips, well, consistency is the key. You need to establish content schedule and adhere to it. Overcome creative blocks by revisiting your content pillars and use brainstorming techniques like mind mapping to increase your creativity. Engage with your audience more, interact with your followers, responding to comments and asking feedback. Learn and adapt to the environment to be flexible in your strategy based on your audience response, and always stay inspired. The more inspired and motivated you are, the better content you're going to create. Also, you need to follow the trend in the content creation. This will help you to keep you updated. Also, try to monetize your content strategy so that you make income and earn money and create a passive source of income for yourself. There are different sort of case studies of successful creators who have made big in their lives following these techniques. So I hope this course is going to help you bring that change in you and become a better course creator and a content creator. So wish you all the luck. I hope this course will bring a considerable improvement in your content creation journey. Thank you.